long, silky, strong hair mask. Hello and welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Imagine having luscious, natural, soft, and nourished hair without even stepping outside your home. You don't even have to visit a hair salon. We can show you how to get phenomenal results on your own. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss any amazing tips and tricks. Every girl and woman can have strong, natural hair without investing a lot of money into expensive keratin treatments, wigs, or hair extensions. Have you always dreamt of having silky, smooth hair, but somehow you weren't blessed with the best genetics? Unfortunately, women can experience hair shedding, unwanted breakage, frizz, as well as hair thinning as they age. This sometimes happens because of the following reasons: poor diet and unhealthy eating patterns, if you don't get enough sleep, and if you're frying your hair with a flat iron or curling iron every here and there. Luckily, there are always ways to restore your hair cuticles and rejuvenate them. Do you wish for luscious and shiny locks? If so, just get the essential ingredients and run straight to your kitchen. All you need is coconut cream, castor oil, and vitamin E capsules. How to do it? Step number 1. Make sure you have either coconut cream or a fresh coconut paste. You will need 2 tablespoons of this product. Prepare 1 tablespoon of castor oil and have at least 2 vitamin E capsules with you. Step number 2. Get yourself a plastic dish and place all of your ingredients into it. Also use a brush, preferably a hair coloring brush, and spread around the paste. Work your way into the paste for 30 to 60 seconds or until you notice that it became solid and even in its texture. Step number 3. Once prepared, use your paste evenly and start massaging it into your hair. You should also section your hair in 4 different sections for easier application. Work 2 sections at the front and leave 2 sections at the back. Step number 4. Spread the product from your roots or the middle of your hair and work your way down your end. Why are we so sure it will work? Well, do you know that coconut oil can boost the growth of your natural hair? It will speed up the process and give you thicker strands while removing any sebum buildup from your scalp. Castor oil is well known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means that this oil will kill off any bacteria, dandruff, as well as irritations that may be stopping your hair from growing and showing its full shine. Make sure you are gentle and do not tangle your hair. Vitamin E may help support a healthy scalp and hair, as it has natural antioxidant effects that could assist in maintaining hair growth. The vitamin's antioxidant properties could help reduce the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals that cause the hair follicle cells in a person's scalp to break down. Rub the product in and let it sink in. Concentrate most of your product around your ends. Step number 5. Leave it overnight, or at least 4 to 5 hours. After it sinks into your hair, you can wash it out with a mild shampoo and your favorite conditioner. Your hair will become silky smooth after 1 use only. You can redo this step every week or so, and you can do it even more often if you wish for quick and effective results. As you can see, just these 3 items can bring you silky smooth hair. Make sure you purchase them as soon as possible and welcome your new shiny hair. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye!